Have you ever wanted more pleasure in your life? Oh my goodness, you're in the right space. Hi, it's Rachel. Been an intimacy coach for 10 years. So we've been talking every month about something fun, ways to incorporate pleasure into your everyday life. And this month is no different. It's actually maybe one of my favorites. Because what we're talking about is things your woman wants me to tell you. And we are listening to this series with open hearts and open minds because it is not a critical series. This is basically giving you the blueprint to success on how to properly love your partner. And that's what they want you to know. And the reason this is so important to me is because after coaching for 10 years, a minimum of 3,500 women that I've spoke to individually at in-home parties. This does not include one-to-one sessions, empowerment classes, or the unlimited messages I receive from them on social media. They need you to hear these things. They want you to hear these things. Now, also the bigger picture about that is because typically I find two camps of women around needs. There is the side of the fence of women who say they've been telling you all along what they want and need, but you ain't acting on it. And then there's the other side of the fence of women who don't even know what they want, but they've been told as a man, you should know what a woman wants, and then you're going to fulfill these needs. So, okay. Anyways, we are in video 4 of the mini series within the series. Basically, we are wrapping up talking about the menstrual cycle. Whereas for Rachel as an intimacy coach, especially, but as a human, we should all know about this because people who own vulvas will menstruate. That's 50% of the population. We should really understand it. And it's how we get here, okay? So week 4 of understanding who your woman is, because she will be a different human being every week of the month. Week 4 is the luteal phase. So we've already talked about week 1 is the week that we bleed, okay? So we call that the menstrual cycle. That's days, let me make sure I get that right. Days 1 through 7, and you might bleed on up to 5 to 7 days on average. The second part of that is going to be the follicular phase, and we consider this spring. We said that the menstrual cycle, when we bleed, is fall, so we rest and relax, and then the second week during the follicular phase is spring. So we pre-work. We get the foundation laid down for really, 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 really positive action, which means that week 3 becomes the ovulatory phase, and we reference that to summer. Lots of action, right? So all of the hard work we put into place in spring is now coming to fruition, and we're moving, because women are high on testosterone in week 3. Now that we're in week 4, this is the luteal phase. And so what comes after summer comes fall, right? So in week 4, which is the week before she'll bleed, it makes sense to take rest and relaxation, but not quite as heavy as we do in the winter months. We're probably going to be more lethargic. We're probably going to go through PMS. We're probably going to be having spikes of hormones. We're probably going to be slightly unpredictable. But if you understand that, you'll know how to support us within that week, and we won't take it out on you. With all due respect, okay? So the fall week is still an easy week. It's days 19 through days 28, but we're just kind of resting and prepping for the following week. So I really hope understanding your person's cycle and understanding how to support them will really start to help clarify how it's going to be beneficial for you in a relationship. Use this to your benefit. Maximize her skill set each one of those weeks, and then really, really help to relax and comfort her in the weeks where she needs to do that rest and relaxation. So I got to go. It's 3-minute mark, but I hope this was helpful information. Thanks for being here. Subscribe for more because we're not done yet, and I'll see you later. Thanks. I'm so grateful for you. Have a great day. Bye-bye.